Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export events from Mixpanel. Okay, so first up, log into your Mixpanel account. And once you're in here, go ahead over to events. Okay, if you have your events ready from here, you can now go ahead and go to the top right and click on export. Okay, and here select the file type, which could be CSV or JSON. Now properties, you could go ahead and select only selected columns or all event properties. Okay, once done, just hit on export. Save it wherever you want, rename the file, and just hit on save. Okay, it says here download started, and it's done. If you want to check it, just click on it and wait for it to load. Okay, now this one right here is suitable for smaller batches or smaller batches of events. Now, if you want to download reports like insights, funnels, or retention, you can export it by going to your board. Okay, click on your board, add a content, maybe a funnel, and just go ahead and go to the top right and click on three dots, hit on export. You can go ahead and export it as a PNG, PDF, or a CSV. Okay, just select one. Then once done, it says here exporting PDF. Just wait for a pop-up. It will say export failed because I don't have any data right here. But yours will be different. Okay, if you have data in here, your export will be successful. Okay, there you have it. That's how you export events from Mixpanel. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.